Are you tired of the nerve-zapping lightning bolts down your leg? How about the nerve-wracking tingling and numbness down your arm? Today, I'm revealing the secret that could bring the zing back to your step and remove that nagging numbness. Welcome to the ultimate guide on NUCCA Chiropractic care and how it is rewriting the rules for radiculopathy and neuropathy. Hold tight, because you're about to unlock the code to Nirvana. But first, smash that subscribe button because you won't want to miss a single electrifying detail. Radiculopathy. It's like a body's alarm system going haywire. Your spine, which is an amazing structure of interlocking bones, houses the nervous system that communicates from the brain down through the rest of the body, and then also vice versa back up. Now, if there's a misalignment at one of these regions, that can cause a pinch onto the nerve, which will cause pain, tingling, numbness down into the arm or into the lower extremities. Misalignments like this can cause havoc within the body, as they will begin to cause degeneration throughout the cervical and then lower down into the lumbar spine, and then also causes all kinds of issues within your nervous system. So basically, a radiculopathy is damage or irritation to the nerve roots as those nerves exit the spine, which you can see right through here. Now, there are several different types of radiculopathies. They include cervical, thoracic, and lumbar. And then there's neuropathy, the sneaky sensation that feels like 1,000 needles poking into you. Imagine your nerves as tiny electrical wires sending important messages all around the body. But sometimes, due to various factors, these wires get damaged, leading to tingling and numbness, and a frustrating loss of sensation. Now, the types of neuropathy include peripheral neuropathy, which generally mean the extremities, but anything outside of the spine. And then cranial neuropathy, which involves the cranial nerves that come from the brainstem. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the brainstem, we've included a link in the description below on our video discussing the brainstem. And lastly, autonomic neuropathy, which refers to the autonomic nervous system. And we've included a link describing the autonomic nervous system down below in the description. To get a better picture of this, radiculopathy is often considered to be under the umbrella of neuropathy. I've had the privilege of examining x-rays from more than 1,000 patients with upper cervical misalignments or upper neck misalignments. And here's where it gets interesting. A lot of degeneration that I've seen is in the lower cervical spine, specifically at C5, C6, and C7. Now, remember that these are the very bones where the nerves exit the spine and head into the arms and the hands. But hold tight, because this is where NUCCA Chiropractic care swoops in as the hero. By working on the alignment of your spine, especially the upper neck region, we can take the pressure off. It's like unblocking a clogged pipeline, allowing those nerves to breathe and your spine to say, sweet relief. And the best part, as the spine begins to restore its alignment, the degeneration will slow down. The openings of the nerves will begin to restore, weight distribution to the discs, vertebral bodies will balance, and those pesky nerve irritations will decide to take a hike. Imagine your spine saying, goodbye discomfort, and your nerves doing a happy dance. So, if you've been dealing with pain, tingling, or numbness from nerve irritation, remember, NUCCA Chiropractic care could be your ticket to feeling amazing again. As a NUCCA specialist myself, I can attest to the miracles that I have seen from individuals who have been dealing with pain, tingling, and numbness, such as radiculopathy in the extremities. Even more miraculous is when individuals dealing with occipital neuralgia or trigeminal neuralgia, both conditions caused by a neuropathy, overcome their crippling conditions and reclaim their lives. If what we have described fits yourself, and you are looking for a solution, you can sign up for a free consultation at atlasbrainspine.com. Thanks for joining us on this enlightening journey into the wonders of NUCCA Chiropractic care. Don't forget to subscribe, but those of you that already did, you're good. If you didn't from earlier, please consider it. We really do appreciate your support, as it helps us to get this information to the people who really need it the most. Remember, when you begin to restore your brain, you will truly begin to heal your pain. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next video.